Understanding Cushion Carom in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically, Cushion Carom. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, but it's packed with meaning and is quite interesting. So, let's get started and explore what Cushion Carom really means. Cushion Carom refers to a concept from the game of billiards. In billiards, a cushion is the soft, padded sides of the table, and a carom is when the ball bounces off a cushion or another ball. The term Cushion Carom can also be used metaphorically in everyday English to describe an action that bounces off or deflects from something else, much like in the game. Let's look at some everyday examples where Cushion Carom might be used. 1. In conversation, his proposal had a Cushion Carom effect, bouncing off several departments before getting approved. 2. In business, the new marketing strategy is like a Cushion Carom, reflecting off different consumer segments to maximize reach. For English learners, using phrases like Cushion Carom can be challenging. Here are some tips. Context is key. Make sure the situation involves some form of deflection or indirect action. Use sparingly. This phrase is quite specific, so use it when it really fits the situation. Practice with examples. Try creating your own sentences or scenarios where this phrase would be applicable. And that's a wrap on Cushion Carom. I hope this video has helped you understand and use this interesting phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is all about exploration and fun, so keep practicing and experimenting. See you in the next video.